morning, everyone. Okay, in last class, we have completed the passive, how to convert a sentence active to passive. Now, some exercise I have written, some sentences are there. So, I want that you are to solve that. अब ये आप लोगों को solve करने हैं. Tomorrow there will be doubt class. कल एक doubt class रहेगी. You can ask all type of sentences belong to tense, if condition as well as passive. Whatever problem you have, you can discuss with me today or tomorrow. Okay. First sentence: do not laugh at others. Look at the board and see the first sentence. Do not laugh at others. Now, who will convert into passive? Who will convert into passive? Raise your hand. Yes, only one or two students. Okay. Yes. Who is he? Okay, good. It means you have studied. Good, please.
Hello.
Taufiq. Yes, Taufiq.
Sir, answer will be you are ordered not to laugh at others.
You are ordered not to laugh others. You
are ordered not to laugh at others.
You are ordered not to laugh at others. Okay? Taufiq has told me this. Okay. This is the one answer I have told you to convert like two types. ये दो तरीके से बनता है. Who will tell me the another type? Okay, Taufiq, thank you. Another type of who will tell me? Yes, any other one is there who will tell the second type? इसको दूसरी किस तरीके से चेंज किया जाएगा? Yes. Yes, Pranav. Pranav. Okay. Who is there? Other one? Parth. Yes, Parth.
So the answer is let not the others be laughed at by.
Repeat it, Parth.
Let not the others be laughed at by you.
Let not
the others.
Not पहले आएगा या other पहले आएगा? Let others
not be laughed at by you.
Not be very good, है ना? Let others not be
laughed at by you.
At you तो आएगा नहीं ना बेटा इसमें. Let others not be laughed at. Got it? This is passive. Very good. Now the second sentence is there. Do not hate poor. Who will tell the second sentence? Yes, Himanshu. Yes, Himanshu.
Sir, he will be help in hour of the need.
No, I'm talking about the second sentence. Do not hate poor.
Sir, do not hate. Sir does not hate have the poor.
गलत बेटा. Any other one? It means you are not doing practice. Any other one?
You are ordered not to hate poor.
You are
ordered not to hate poor.
Okay, very good. This is one way. What is the second way? Who will tell? Some another student? Another student, yes. Who will tell?
Sir.
Hello, sir.
Vikhyat.
Sir, let poor not be hated.
One student. Speak out, only one student.
Sir, let poor not be hated by you.
Let poor,
Not be hated.
not be hated. बस hated
Bye.
है ना, by you तो होगा नहीं, है ना, by you नहीं होगा, it is for everyone है ना, क्योंकि ये सबके लिए है,
Yes.
तो कोई specified नहीं है. Very good, very good, good. Now question number 3. Please help her in her hour of need. Please help her in her hour of need. Who will give the answer? Raise your hand. More students, more students. Yes, 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 yes. Good, 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 good. Yes. Mahika.
Morning.
Mahika, are you there, beta? Good morning, beta. Yes.
Please let her
Speak out,
help
beta.
her
Answer.
in hour of need.
Please
Please
speak
let
out
her
clearly, please. It means you did not attend my class or you did not do the practice. Beta, it is not correct answer. Any other student?
Morning, sir.
Who is he?
Hello, good
Yes. Good morning, beta. Yes. What will be the answer?
Sir, you are requested to help her in her hour of need.
You are requested.
Requesting to
Very
help
good. You are requested
to
to.
help
Very
help
good.
her
Help
in her
her in her
hour of need.
hour of need. Very good. Very good, beta. Who is sitting with you? Mother or sister?
Sir, my brother.
Huh? Is she telling you?
Yes, sir. No, sir, he is not
Okay,
telling.
very good. Okay, good, good. So this is the correct answer. Or who will make it in the second type? Who will make it like second type? Any other student? This is correct answer. तो दूसरा तरीका जो मैंने बताया, who will make the sentence like from that? Raise your hand. Okay, very good. Ask.
So
Yes,
the
ma'am.
answer is let she be helped in her hour of need.
Repeat it, beta.
Let she be helped in her hour of need.
बेटा इसका ये प्लीज से स्टार्ट हो रहा है, इसका बनेगा ही नहीं. सेकंड टाइप वाला सेंटेंस, आई हैव टोल्ड यू द सेकंड वाला टाइप सेंटेंस विल मेक ओनली इन ऑर्डर फॉर्म. जो ऑर्डर फॉर्म में उसी के बनेंगे. इफ प्लीज इज देयर तो ओनली वन वे टू मेक द सेंटेंस. गॉट इट? और तुमने उसका भी बना दिया. इट मींस यू डू नॉट लिसन केयरफुली. लिसन केयरफुली द क्लास. क्लास को अच्छे से सुना करो बेटा. इसका एक ही तरीके से बनेगा बिकॉज दिस इज ऑफ रिक्वेस्ट मोड. ये रिक्वेस्ट मोड में है तो इसका एक ही तरीके से सेंटेंस बनेगा. गॉट इट? गॉट इट बेटा? ओके. नाउ look at the board, the fourth sentence.
Sir, may I tell?
So, fourth sentence.
Yes.
Yes. Fourth sentence is yes. Now fourth sentence. Obey your parents. Obey your parents. Who will convert into passive? Very good. New students are also there. Okay, we will talk with sir. Yes,
Yes,
beta.
sir.
Yes.
You
what
are
is
ordered-
the answer?
You are ordered to obey your parents.
You are ordered. You are ordered to obey your parents.
Parents.
Correct? Okay. Now, who will tell the second type of sentence? Who will tell the
Sir,
second
I
type
can.
of sentence?
Sir, I can.
Yes, any other student? Very good, very good. I'm happy today that many students are raising the hand. Yes. Who is there? Who will tell the answer? Daksh. Yes, beta. Daksh. What will be the second type of answer? Okay, any other student? If Daksh is not available.
Hello, sir. Sir, answer is
हाँ बेटा.
let your parents be obeyed.
Let
Your parents be
your
obeyed.
parents be obeyed.
Yes, sir. Let your parents be obeyed.
Very good, very good. इसमें by me, by you कुछ लगाऊं क्या बेटा?
No, sir, because we have already put let your parents. So by you will not come.
Good, good, good. Very good, very good, very good. Good.
Thank you, sir.
Now look at the board, everyone. Next sentence. Shut the gate. Next sentence is shut the gate. Who will give the answer? Good, 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 good. Imam. Okay.
Sir, let the gate be shut.
Let
Let the gate be shut.
the
Gate be shut.
be shut. Correct. Good. Now, who will give the second type of answer? Any other student? Yes. Apurva.
Yes, sir.
Second type of answer.
You are ordered to shut the gate.
Very good, beta. You are ordered. Then
To shut the gate.
shut the gate.
Gate.
Very good, beta. Good, good, very good. Now, last sentence. Who will give the answer? The last sentence of practice. Very good. Good, good, good. Now, I am also taking interest to teach you. Yes.
Hello.
Amit. Yes, beta.
Morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning, beta. What will be the answer?
Sir, you are suggested to never. You are suggested never to tell a lie.
Interested? What are you doing? We are doing passive. There are two types of you can use, order or requested only, no suggested. We are not doing that direct, indirect. Got it? Now revise yourself till that I am asking another student. Yes. Garvit.
Hello.
Hello, Garvit.
Hello. Yes,
हाँ
sir.
बेटा. Speak out the answer. हाँ, आंसर बोलो बेटा.
You are ordered to never talk a lie.
You are ordered. Never.
Never to talk a lie. To talk a lie.
You are ordered. Never to tell लिखा है बेटा, ये है ना, tell a lie.
Talk a lie.
Very good बेटा, very good.
Lie.
You are ordered never to tell a lie. Good. Very good, very good. Now who will make it second type? Second type वाला कौन बताएगा? Good. Yes. Who will tell how we will convert it into second type?
Morning, sir.
Yes. Good morning, beta. Speak out.
Let a lie not be told.
What will be the answer? Let a lie
A lie
ah,
not be told.
He told. Very good, beta. अब every student, very good, beta. Every student, which one we will use? ठीक है, you are ordered हम ले रहे हैं, ठीक है, but it will be used nowadays. आपको ध्यान रखना है, both type of sentences are there. यदि order वाला sentence है तो you are ordered से भी बनेगा और it will be made with let also. परंतु हमें मोस्टली अभी जो प्रेजेंट इंग्लिश में जो चल रहा है उसमें सबसे ज्यादा let वाला यूज किया जा रहा है. तो we are to also use let. तो let से चल रहा है वही हमें यूज करना है. Got it, everyone? Write down this, then we will go ahead. Okay. One student is there. Yes. Yes, Priyansh.
यस सर.
Yes, Priyansh.
तो सर लास्ट सेंटेंस में सर नेवर की जगह नॉट लिखा हुआ है.
हाँ, डजेंट मैटर बेटा, नॉट और नेवर एक ही चीज है ना, तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. यू कैन राइट नॉट और नेवर. नेवर भी लिख सकते हैं और नॉट भी लिख सकते हैं, ठीक है, क्योंकि नेवर जो है वो नॉट का ही एक रूप है और नॉट है वो नेवर का ही एक रूप है. गॉट इट? ओके बेटा. यस, एनी अदर स्टूडेंट? राइट डाउन दिस एवरीवन. इफ एनीबॉडी हैज एनी प्रॉब्लम देन रेज योर हैंड. राम. यस राम.
गुड मॉर्निंग सर.
राम.
सर आपने लास्ट सेंटेंस में टेल की स्पेलिंग गलत लिखी है.
कहाँ पे?
सर नेवर टीई सर टीए लिखा है आपने.
ओके, क्या होती है टेल की स्पेलिंग?
सर TELL.
टेल की स्पेलिंग TELL होती है. Okay, everybody has done. I think there will not be any problem. So now I'm telling the last two type of sentences which are remaining. है ना, जो बचे हुए सेंटेंस है वो मैं अब आपको बता देता हूँ, ठीक है. I think you all have written, and be careful because this type of exercise you will find in your test. ठीक है. Syllabus I have friend syllabus you have got. I think there will not be any problem. Be careful about these type of sentence. And today also and tomorrow you will get the doubt class. है ना? If anybody has any doubt, so my WhatsApp number is available. You can send me message as well as you can call me. There will not be any problem. But call should be at proper time. है ना? Call से पहले आप टाइम देखिएगा मैं कितने बजे सर को कर रहा हूँ. सर स्लीपिंग, ठीक है, सर सो तो नहीं रहे हैं कहीं, बस ये ध्यान रखिएगा. गेटिंग एवरीवन? अब देखिए तो सेंटेंस विच स्टार्ट्स विद लेट. अभी हमने क्या देखा, इंपेरेटिव सेंटेंस वी सॉ दैट कि हमने बनाया लेट से सेंटेंस हम आंसर स्टार्ट कर रहे थे. गेटिंग? नाउ आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट इफ एनी एक्टिव सेंटेंस यू गेट which is starting with let, then how we will make. Let us play football. Let us play football. Active sentence है ये. Look at the board carefully, everyone. If you find any sentence active which starts with let, देखिए इससे पहले क्या था, हम जो सेंटेंस पैसिव बना रहे थे उसमें let को ला रहे थे. यदि एक्टिव सेंटेंस में if you find let, then how will you convert it? See the board. Let us equals to let. इन दोनों में से एक मिले एक ही बात होगी. Let us और let एक ही चीज. Okay. Now how we will convert? If you find let us, okay, then how will you convert the sentence? Let plus object plus be plus third form of verb. This will be the formula to convert active to passive. How we will convert let, then what is object? Football. Because how we will find the object after verb? person or thing will be object. Let football then be played. Third form. Let us play football according to formula let plus object plus be plus third form of verb. Let football be played. Okay, by us. This is the passive. Getting everyone? ये कब करना है? जब let से start हो रहा है और us आ जाता है. Let us. Getting everyone? Second sentence. Let me play football. Active. ठीक है? Then how we will make let the same thing football be played by me. This is passive. Getting everyone? Now, third sentence. Let him play football. Active sentence. What will be the answer? Let football be played by him. Write down, everyone, write down these in your copy. Write down it, or okay. If I think some students has doubts, na? Yes, beta. Yes, what is the doubt, beta? If you do not have any doubt, then put your hand down. Avni, is there any doubt? No. Priyansh, Avni, is there any doubt, beta? No. There is no doubt. Very good. With this, the passive completed. इसी के साथ हमारे सारे के सारे passive complete हो जाते हैं. Getting everyone? Now, three type of sentences, three type of topic we have done. If you have any doubt from these or the last class, then you can ask me if you have any doubt. Okay. No doubt? Okay. Yes, beta. What is the doubt?
No, sir, I do not have any doubt, sir. I want to take your number.
Okay. Number is in your list of group. Group में आपको number मिल जाएंगे. Otherwise, you can note down. I am writing on the board. The board पे लिख देता हूँ. 982975870. But before making call, please take care about the time. So what is time? है ना? पूरा सा समय का ध्यान रखेंगे everyone. No doubt. If there is no doubt, then I can ask some question. Okay. Monica. Mahika. Yes, Mahika. Mahika. Beta, is there any doubt?
Sir, my doubt is that yes.
Yes, beta, your voice is not clear. Hello. Okay, so let me ask some question, है ना? Okay, I think nobody has any doubt. Nobody has any doubt? Rishabh. Yes, Rishabh, beta. Rishabh. Beta, if you do not have doubt, then put your hand down. Okay. If you do not have any doubt, then I will ask some questions. है ना? कुछ questions मैं पूछ लेता हूँ. After that, because the topic has completed, topic हमारा पूरा हो गया है. Tomorrow, I am telling there is doubt class of all type of classes we have studied. जितनी भी हमने classes पढ़ ली उन सब की doubt class है कल. So tomorrow you can ask. So today let me ask. Okay. Okay. My first question is, he has to do this work. My first question is, he has to do this work. Okay, this is active sentence. Now, who will change it into passive? Raise your hand. Who will change? Only 3-4 students. They are daily replying. They are daily replying. Yes. Girl is there.
Sir, the answer is this work let this work has been done by him.
क्या? Speak out again.
Let this work. Let
लगाऊं?
Yes.
Think before making it. हाँ, let क्यों लगाऊंगा बताओ? Let क्यों लगेगा बेटा? ये कोई imperative sentence थोड़ी है जो आप let लगा दोगे. Is this imperative sentence?
This work has been done by him.
This work has been लगाऊं. Very good बेटा. Means you are not studying. ये गलत है बेटा, has been वाला. Any other student? It means you are not doing practice. Practice is must. Yes, any other student? Yes.
Hello, sir.
Beta, what will be the answer? Hello. Are you there or not, beta? What will be the answer? It shows that you are not doing practice. तो मैं यहाँ जितना पढ़ा रहा हूँ आप उतना ही पढ़ पा रहे हैं.
Hello, sir.
बेटा,
Hello.
Yes.
This work can be done by him.
लगा दूं. Very good. ये can कहाँ से लाए बेटा? Sentence उससे है ही नहीं. What are you doing? Any other one? Nikhil.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Nikhil. क्या किया जाए बोलो?
Sir, answer is this work have been done by him.
Have
Have to
been
be
कर
done
दो.
by him.
Have to be. Have to be. Confirm.
Yes, sir.
Okay. ये have नहीं होगा बेटा. This work के साथ है जाएगा. Okay. This work has to be done. Very good बेटा. This work has to be done by him. Very good, very good. After long effort. देखिए ये किसमें से किया था हमने? जो मॉडल्स के पैसिव बताए थे उसमें मैंने हैज टू, हैव टू, इज टू, आर टू, एम टू, इन सब के पैसिव बताए थे. और जिस प्रकार मॉडल के फॉर्मूला था ठीक उसी फॉर्मूले से ये बन रहा था. ठीक है. We will take one more. Okay. Next sentence is one should love one's country. Active sentence. Now, who will tell the answer? Who will tell the answer? One should love one's country. Very good. 1, 2, 3. These are, sir, these are regular students. They are always giving the answer. At least they try to give answer. Yes. Priyank.
One country should be loved by one.
One's
Country
country
should be loved by one.
should be
Loved
loved
by
by
one.
one.
Thank you, sir.
ठीक है, दिस इज द पैसिव. वेरी गुड. ठीक है, अब ये जो पीछे हमने बाय वन लगाया है, ये हम नहीं भी लगाएंगे तब भी आंसर करेक्ट हो जाएगा, बिकॉज ये डिनोट कर रहा है सभी को. जो ऐसे सेंटेंसेस आ जाते हैं जो सभी के लिए कॉमन सेंटेंस बन जाते हैं, तो फिर उसमें हम पीछे बाय वन और बाय समवन ये लगाए नहीं लगाए कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. गेटिंग एवरीवन? ओके, लेट मी टेक सम अनदर सेंटेंस. ओके. Okay, next sentence is one will have done. One will have done one's duty. Active sentence. Now solve this sentence. One will have done one's duty. Who will solve this? And please log in with your proper name, not any other sign and all. Yes, who will solve? Yes. Yes. Are you there? No? Any other one?
Good morning, sir.
Ram.
Good morning, sir.
beta.
Sir, the answer
Good morning.
is
Good morning.
one's duty will have been done by one.
Very good, beta. Repeat it again.
One's duty will have been.
Will have. ये हैज करूँ या हैव ही रहने दूँ बेटा?
Sir, have ही रहने दो.
Very good, very good. One's duty will have been
Done by one.
by one. ये by one वाली मैंने अभी बताई. इसको आप लिखो नहीं लिखो, क्लियर है ना? Very good, बेटा. Very good. It means you are doing practice at home. Nice. Okay. Let me take one more sentence. Then the time will running out. Okay. Now the sentence is yes. Okay. Yes. Now the sentence. Yes, they had sold their ox. Active sentence. Now who will change it into passive? Yes, who will give the answer? They had sold their ox. Yes.
Their ox had been sold by them.
Their ox had been. Been लगा दूं?
Yes, sir.
कुछ और तो नहीं आएगा बेटा?
No, sir.
Their ox has been
Sold by them.
sold by them. Very good, very good. This is the correct answer. Okay, students, due to time, we are going to sum up the class. But before submitting up the class, I want to tell you that tomorrow there will be doubt class. Whatever topic I have taught you, you can ask me. Otherwise, I will ask like this some question answer. So you will prepare for your test. Thank you very much for the day. Do take care.